Right now we are at 75 degrees as we turn to your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Chief Meteorologist Tony Petracca is in the Weather Center, and we have some showers that could be on the way.
Tracking the rain that went through this morning offshore right now, and then another chance, albeit just an isolated shower for tomorrow. But any rain is welcome considering the drought that we're in, and it's pretty much gone. We're looking at New Bedford right now, and we've got cloudy skies. I do expect some partial clearing over the next several hours. Take a look in Providence now. We're looking off to the west, and while it's cloudy, that western view is a little brighter. The clouds are not as thick, and you're seeing some breaks in the overcast. So I do expect some partial clearing from west to east over the next several hours, and we may see a little glimmer of sunshine on the western sky before it sets. I mean, any rain is welcome, obviously, in the drought that we're in, but these numbers are not impressive at all. And we talked about this last night, how, and this is the observed rainfall today, how the further north and west you would go, little to nothing, and then more out towards coastal Mass. But even these numbers along the coastline, not a lot, unfortunately, and I don't see any widespread rain over the next several days. And the new drought update has just been issued, and most areas are still in that severe drought. But notice this next category, which is red, an extreme drought, just upgraded out towards the Attleboro's, Taunton, Fall River, New Bedford, and through southern Rhode Island. It is getting worse. I mean, I know every now and then we've had some downpours this summer, but what's lacking is really just this widespread rain, which we don't see in the forecast next several days. Temperatures now are in the mid-70s, 76 in Providence, most areas in the middle 70s. We take a look at what we're tracking. Well, turning less humid over the next several days. It's humid right now, but later tonight through the weekend, it is more refreshing in terms of humidity levels. No oppressive heat is in the forecast. And overall, the weekend is not bad. Now, there's a slight chance of an isolated shower on Saturday, but we've been saying all along, do not cancel any outdoor activities for Saturday. Overall, your weekend looks mainly dry and comfortable. All right, satellite and radar composite. Some of the rain from this morning is heading offshore. That system tracking north and east. Cold front off to our west. Here's the wider view. And this is just kind of a reinforcing shot of some drier, less humid air that'll be working in over the next roughly 24 hours. So some good news there as far as comfort. We'll get in real close, and we'll step you through the forecast starting at about 7 o'clock this evening. Looking okay. That Patriots game, preseason game in Foxborough, weather looks fine. Overnight tonight, partly cloudy skies. Here we are tomorrow morning at 7 a.m., starting off in the upper 60s. It's fairly quiet. And looking at any clouds giving way to partly sunny skies and temperatures reaching the low 80s. Notice the better chance for some rain and thunder out towards Cape Cod. Watch what happens, though, mid to late afternoon. You don't want to talk about localized and small. I got a little pop-up shower at late day, early evening in a couple of spots. That's about it. And again, wouldn't cancel any outdoor plans for Friday, as most of the time it's actually dry. So not bad tomorrow morning. Early clouds giving way to partly sunny skies, and then during the afternoon hours, a mix of clouds and sunshine. About a 20% chance of a brief isolated shower. Nothing more than that. And the same theme for Saturday. An isolated shower, but a mainly dry and comfortable day, and still looking real nice for Sunday. Sunshine and about 82 degrees.